Well done. Perfect timing there, Devon. Exactly 5 minutes to the moment. You're a very clear presenter. Something I would say is we could range the emotions a little bit more, but I really appreciated the pace, and the consistency of that meant that I didn't miss a single word. Some opportunities for improvement. You didn't really talk about what the cost of the problem is. You talked about the amount of time it absorbs, but let's try and get that into a dollar amount so people can see, well, how much money could we credibly save if we fix this problem? In general, across the slides, there was too much text and the text was too small. Great example of that was the pricing slide. I think we want to focus on one feature that makes us special versus a suite of features. We might want to just focus on the things that other apps wouldn't provide because of our unique innovation or insight. You kind of hid the traction. It sounded like you've got some new traction, some new MRR coming in. I would put that on a slide by itself. We really want to focus on the wins, especially if they are traction oriented, because that makes a lot of investors really excited. But otherwise, great job.